In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a password using Zoho Vault. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or simply managing shared resources, learning how to do this effectively ensures that team members have access to the credentials they need without compromising security. So let's dive right into the process and make this as straightforward as possible. Firstly, you'll want to start by heading over to your Zoho Vault dashboard. If you're not already familiar, Zoho Vault is a cloud-based password manager that enables you to securely store, share, and manage your passwords. Once on the dashboard, look for the section labeled Passwords. This is your central hub for managing all of your stored credentials. Click on Passwords to display the list of all entries you currently have saved. Once you've located the password list, the next step is selecting the specific entry you wish to share. Simply scroll through the list, and when you find the desired password, click on it to highlight it. This action signifies your selection and prepares it for the next step in the sharing process. With your password entry selected, direct your attention to the options available just above it. Look for and click on More Options. Among the various choices presented, you'll notice Share Passwords. Clicking here initiates the sharing process, making it viable for you to extend access to others securely. Now, it's time to specify with whom you want to share this information. You'll be given the option to search for the user or individual within your organization. Type their name or email address into the search bar. As you type, matching records should appear, making it simple to select the correct person. This function eliminates any guesswork, ensuring precision and speed in locating the intended recipient. Once you have identified the recipient, you'll see several action options displayed on the right side of the screen. These options are crafted to give you control over what permissions you wish to grant to the recipient regarding the shared password. Depending on your requirements, you can choose actions like View, allowing the person to see the password only, Modify, if you want to enable editing access, or Manage, if you need them to have administrative control. Choosing the appropriate action will finalize the sharing process. Each level of access has particular uses, so be sure to select the one that aligns with your security policies and operational needs. Implementing these steps with care ensures that your organization's security is maintained while enabling efficient collaboration. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily share passwords securely using Zoho Vault. Remember to always adhere to your company's security guidelines when sharing sensitive information and ensure that only authorized individuals have access. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.